In today's video, I will walk you through how to use RGBA Rock in Krita. To use the RGBA Rock brush in Krita, open the Brush Presets docker by pressing F6 or clicking the Brush Presets docker. In the search bar, type RGBA Rock, then select the RGBA Rock brush from the results. Next, choose the brush size based on the area you are working on. Use a larger brush size for bigger rock textures and wider areas, a medium brush size for general details, and a smaller brush size for adding fine texture details. Switch between brush sizes as you create your artwork to match different parts of your design. The RGBA Rock brush creates textured rock-like strokes with a natural surface appearance. It's a good choice when you want to add rock textures, create natural elements, or include detailed surface effects in your artwork. You can adjust the brush size and continue painting to build up different rock textures and details. That's how to use RGBA Rock in Krita. Thank you for watching the video.